says, hey, you violated some kind of community guidelines, which I have no idea what that even means or how I even did that. And so I'm kind of back at square one. All right, what's up? It's me again. I'm going for a little bit of a walk here. I've been thinking about this resale strategy for Facebook that I talked about on Friday, and it was awesome. I was going through it, I was uploading stuff, and then all of a sudden I get this notification from Facebook that says, hey, you violated some kind of community guidelines, which I have no idea what that even means or how I even did that. And so I'm kind of back at square one, and so a friend of mine suggested, hey, maybe you should look at eBay, which I have a really good eBay account. But then again, I'm like, do I want to mess with all of that, or what do I want to do? And so I'm a little bit on the fence about what to do with that. So once again, just been making some videos today as far as Amazon products go, just trying to stay on top of that. And may just look for a reseller. If I can find a reseller who is like super interested in bulk purchasing, because I love selling on Whatnot. It's a lot of fun, but it doesn't bring as much per item. And then also I get to ship it all. And sometimes that works out really well. Sometimes people buy a lot of items and I only get to ship a few packages. And sometimes I'm stuck shipping 30, 40, 50 packages all at one time, and I don't get a payout until I ship it all. And that, it's just problematic. And I'm going to walk by this road because I'm curious of how well this microphone does on the side of a busy road. So I'm going to see what it does. We'll just see. But anyway, that's what I'm up against today. Just trying to figure that out. And I just want to take a walk around the block just to clear my mind for a second. Also test this mic to see what it sounds like on the road. I don't think it's going to work. So we'll see. We'll see about the resale stuff. And that's the thing about all this business stuff, this entrepreneur lifestyle, it's all figuring stuff out and trying to figure out like what's going to work, what's going to make the most amount of sense, and what's going to make, in my case, I want to know, it's not really maximizing every single dollar opportunity, but it's maximizing my time. And so I can make less money per product or per transaction if I can do a lot of them and not spend all of my time at work. And so, which may sound ridiculous as a business owner, because I probably shouldn't care about those things, but I do. And now I'm curious as to what this camera's going to do when I go from really bright lights to not bright lights and back in the studio. So anyway, if you like this kind of content, be sure to like, subscribe, share it out to other influencers or all your reseller friends. Tag all your reseller friends, because I have a load of stuff and I'm shooting even more. I got all kinds of new products in this weekend. So a whole stack of new stuff. I don't even know if you can see it all, but all down there as well. And it's going to keep coming. And I got to get rid of it. So I'm kind of freaking out a little bit, but I'm going to do what makes money today. And I'm going to just make some more product videos and go from there. So that's what I'm up to. That's my vlog entry for July. July 1st, 2020. Wow. This year is flying by. 6 more months. Here we go. How are we going to finish up the rest of the year? I might pull my hair out. All right. We'll talk soon. See ya.